Sinasabi niya na, what are you doing here? Uh, Umuwi ka na ng Pilipinas. So, ayun, inaayos ko lang yung legal team. Meron na akong i-interviewin na isa pang lawyer.
Si Attorney Harry Roque po, hindi po kasama?
So far, hindi siya kasama sa legal team, si Attorney Harry
Bakit
Roque.
po dalawa pa lang po? Yung potential na lang kakausapin pa lang, if ever.
No, meron na kaming listahan. Pero yung isa kasi, darating siya dito.
So, puro foreign po?
Foreign po yun.
Yes, oo.
Ilan po kaya?
Kung ilan, you may have to ask Attorney Kaufman.
Bakit po hindi kasama si Attorney Roque?
Well, because hindi pa kasi na-establish kung ano yung basis ng pag-stay niya dito sa Netherlands. And we don't want complications ba. Gusto namin nakatutok talaga yung lawyers doon sa kaso. And right now, I heard applying for asylum. He publicly announced that already, no. So we want him to focus on his asylum, and then we want our lawyers to focus on the case.
Yun po yung ginagamit yung basis din, no, to be able to get that asylum, sabi po niya.
So he can defend.
So he can defend the former president.
Well, that is a matter that he has to discuss with former President Duterte, no. But right now, he's not nominated as a lawyer.
Nag-sink in na po ba sa dating Pangulo na nandito na talaga siya sa ICC? Pasensya na po dahil before, di ba sinasabi po niya, sipain ko pa yung ICC, hindi talaga ako papahuli ng buhay.
pa yan?
Sabi niya, wala din naman daw siyang ginagawa sa labas kasi hindi pa naman daw siya mayor. So might as well, tumiram daw muna siya sa loob.
So,
He's very friendly with people inside. So, meron na silang banter eh. So,
Ma'am, nakita niyo mismo
may
yung loob ng
exchange
kanyang
na sila.
kung
No,
saan po
hindi kami allowed.
Opo.
Doon lang kami sa visitors center. So sabi niya, wala din naman siyang ginagawa pa because he's at the moment retired. Wala pang election, so hindi pa siya mayor. So he might as well just stay inside. And then he said that he doesn't regret anything that he did sa pagtatrabaho niya para sa bayan. At nakita naman daw ng bayan kung ano yung resulta ng kanyang serbisyo para sa bayan.
VP, how's your visitation? Do you have to apply every single time
Yes.
you apply?
Ganyan naman yung
You
iba yung
come?
iba mag-interview.
Matagal ba? Yung, I mean,
Tayo lang
ano yung
lahat?
proseso?
It's online. It's online. So, every time na kailangan ko pumunta doon para
Kasi hindi tayo
magpaabot
media,
ng
pero
mensahe
yung
sa
right
kanya,
tayo tanong.
pinapasok ko siya online, sinasubmit ko, and then nagre-respond sila. And then siya yung nagsasabi yes or no. So, I tried to limit kung sino yung pwedeng pumasok sa kanya, but apparently, ang rules nila dito ay yung detainee ang magsasabi ng yes or no. You apply, and then he'll say yes or no.
Kasi Attorney Harry said you wanted sana a daily.
Yes. So,
Ano
nag-a-apply.
pong
Ang application ko last time was Friday until Tuesday. Ngayon, so I was given Tuesday, and then mag-submit na naman ako ng bago.
So Tuesday na naman until yung panibagong.
Well, right now, I'm thinking kung hanggang kailan ako nandito, yun na rin yung i-apply ko para hindi na rin sila mabombard ng everyday na submission. Yes, so kanina doon while we were talking, biglang may dumating na letter. So apparently pwede palang magpadala ng letter sa loob. So marami sa ating mga kababayan, no, ang gusto magpaabot sa kanya ng mensahe nila.
Oo. Sana kami
Tinanong ko doon sa loob paanong nangyari na nakatanggap siya ng sulat galing sa isang couple